Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to add money to PayPal from debit card. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So adding money to your PayPal account from your debit card is actually pretty easy, and adding them is actually dependent on where your account is created. In this case, first things first is you need to go to your PayPal account. So go ahead and open up PayPal, log into your account, and this is the first thing that you'll see here. So for us to actually add money from our debit card, we first need to add our debit card. Now to do that, you need to go to the right side here, click on add card or bank. And from here, choose the options as add a credit card. Let's go and choose this one. Now what we need to do is we need to provide the card number, the card type here, the expiration date, and security code, as well as the billing address. Now once you provide all those details, just click on link card, and that should actually link your debit card into your account here. Now, in this case, you might be wondering, how do you actually transfer from your debit card to your PayPal account here? Well, the thing here is whenever you actually add a card here, sometimes the option that says add funds or transfer money should be available in here. So if you see the option that says add funds or something similar, you should be able to click on it and add funds into your PayPal account. Now, you could also go to the wallet tab here, and from here, look for the option that says add funds here. But in some cases, in certain regions, that option will not be available because currently PayPal does not fully support that. So instead, they typically just use your card via your PayPal account here. So for example, if you're making payments online, you will still be able to use your PayPal account, but instead of PayPal using the actual funds within your account, you have the option to use your linked card in your PayPal account to make the payment. So making PayPal as the the middleman for the transaction itself. But yeah, again, this will depend on your current region and the availability of this feature in your account. So if you see the options as add money or add funds, you should be good and just follow the steps, and that's it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.